Welcome to Montierra, apartment home 1611. This is our Soladad floor plan, which is our 761 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It has a wood burning fireplace and central heat and air. Every Soladad floor plan is a corner location, which has nice big windows for great natural light. Fully equipped kitchen with ample cabinet and counter space, including a pantry. This first floor home has wood style floors throughout. The spacious bedroom, which is 17.5 by 12 feet, is large enough to fit a king-size bed and more. It also has a walk-in closet with built-in shelving and a mirror. And of course, a bathroom. And finally, out on the patio, you have a walk-in laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer. And this particular location also has great canyon views and a very private setting. Thank you again for visiting Montierra, apartment home 1611.